Well, let's see if the audio is any good on this damn thing. Well, let's see. I don't know if I'm going to put this on YouTube or not, but to give you an idea. Here's the dash lights. Everything appears to be working okay. Seems okay. The only thing is I got my scanner hooked up at this point. Let's see what happens when I unplug my scanner. It's unplugged. Does this crazy shit. That relay in that bank over there is clicking like crazy. Stick the key back in. That's all I get. Now, if I plug in my scan tool, and this is a weird part, but maybe there's something eluding me. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. There. Everything goes back online. Everything appears to be functioning. Key works. It looks fairly normal. Still, and it actually runs. Wow, that's the first time. Now, if I were to disconnect this, unplug it, now it's running. Wasn't doing that before. It wouldn't want to fucking start or run or anything. But it's still really messed up now. I wonder what the hell's going on with this thing. Let's see. Come here. Fucking light. Everything goes back online. Weird.